Hello, habari.
How are you?
I'm Awilo Longomba, singer. I think you know the reason for why I'm here is about the song we come to release with my sister, Angel. The song talk about Tanzania, the country Tanzania. And I'm so happy to be there with you. Sorry, just I want to add some things. Sorry for the time. I know I'm late, I come late, but for all my respect for you, it don't was my fault. Because the car they're supposed to send to come to pick me, I've been ready. I was ready since the morning, 8. You know me, I respect journalists, I respect media. But we had some problem we have this morning about the car they sent to come to pick me, accident. Cause that you see, I was waiting, and the second car come to pick me. Cause that I'm late for our appointment. Again, one time, sorry, apologize. Thank you. Here's easy. Talk about the song first. You know, Tanzania and Awilo is a big love story. I've been there for the first time in 1999, the second time in 2001. From that time to now, it's also like 20 years ago. And when I've been here, I'm here for a movie normally. I come in Tanzania for the movie shooting. But you see, when I'm here, since I'm here, I received some solicitation about the collaboration. You see, you remember I come to do a collaboration with our brother, Harmonized, and my sister. They contacted me too for a song about a song. And when they told me the song talk about Tanzania, I don't want to say it's not a love song because many collaboration is just for dance, to sing about a love, bing bing bing, dun dun dun. But that one was for Tanzania. I say, this is a good opportunity for me too, to show how much I love Tanzania. It's like a back, you know. It's like a love back. I give back the love of Tanzania people. They have for Awilo. And also some things. If I'm gonna remind you, maybe I don't know, some of you have not seen born on when I come here the first time, 20 years ago, I've been in Mbeya. And in Mbeya, I remember they give me a land, big land. They offer me a land, and they told me to plant a tree. And that tree, we saw them the tree, Awilo. They give the tree and the name Awilo. And I don't know if that tree now is tall like 10 meters. Now my dream is to go back to Mbeya just to see. You know, when I talk about all that, you know, by myself I say no. Those people love me. I love them too. You know? And I said, for that song, that one is an opportunity for me to sing Tanzania. You know, to honor Tanzania people and to honor that country. I have much love for Tanzania.
Naweza kusema kwamba first of all sio kwamba nilimapproach mimi kama mimi, tulimapproach kama the C Shirima Entertainment, the whole label. Kwa hivyo kuna watu wengi, kuna watu nyuma yangu ambao wao ndio wamenipush pia as well kupata nafasi. Otherwise sidhani kama ningepata nafasi mwenyewe. Na kwa kweli naweza kusema it's a very big experience for me, na najiona kwamba you know it's Awilo, you're doing something with Awilo, and kweli I'm just starting my music career. Kwa hivyo naweza kusema tu nitoe shukrani zangu sana kwa my management first of all, kwa kunipa nafasi hii na kuniwezesha kupata nafasi hii ya kipekee.
Yes, of course. If you remember when the first time when I have from the airport, some of you, your colleague, came from the airport And they question me like, Awilo, do you know some artist from Tanzania? I was respond like, I know, I name like Diamond, Harmonize, Alikiba, and some of them, yes, Rosari, I forgot one, the name is Namdi, there are many. And the second question was, are you ready to collaborate with artists? I say yes. I'm an example, like a big brother. I'm here for everybody. I'm so open. Everybody gonna come. I'm ready to work. Can you be famous or no? Look at, she's not so famous, you know. But only I accept to give him, my arms, like, because she need a collaboration. And yes, and the collaboration was for like to sing for Tanzania. I said this is a good opportunity. Like I come to respond to your colleague. I'm so open. I'm there for a movie, but I'm ready to collaborate. If young people need to sing with Awilo, maybe their dream to sing with me or to collaborate. I'm so open for that. It's
so
not.
Do you still have more time here?
Oh, normally I'm supposed to leave because I live in the UK. I'm here now is 1 month. About the movie we shoot. She's in the movie too. She's in the movie and she acts like my wife in the movie. In the drama movie. The movie is a life story, great. And also we're gonna finish when they're gonna edit. You're gonna see the movie everywhere. Maybe we're gonna do the premiere here in Tanzania because we shoot the movie 100% in Tanzania. But since 1 month I'm there, every time I have again maybe 1 week. I have 1 week again. The industry I respect is a high. And now in Africa we're gonna say Tanzania is almost the country who represents our continent musically. I'm so proud, and I see. I've been there 20 years ago, but from far outside, we listen, we saw, we see. I know. One time it was in Nigeria. It's Nigeria too, Tanzania, Kenya, but Tanzania media is on the top, and the industry is in the top because we are big artists here who represent our continent. Here in Tanzania, no. They are all of them. They are number one for me. All of them. I love them. Maybe for you, it depends. That's my opinion. Maybe for you, you're number one. But for me, everybody is the same. Number one.
Okay. Awilo, your young brother from Congo, PSD,
Yes.
in Tanzania. Would you like to have something with him?
Yes, why not? Yes, I listened to this morning. Is already here. I discovered the artist in Diamond. When from a friend. He's a football player. Now I think many years ago, 5 or 6 years ago, the guy was calling me. The name is Trésor Loalo. He told me, Awilo, I want to listen a song. A young guy come to sing your name. I said, which? I don't know. It was my first time to listen. The first song come from Enos B. The title of that song is Pola. I listen to the song. He say, Awilo. He sing. I say, Yeah, my friend who told me about that song told me, is it possible I'm gonna call him like the conference? You say just hi because he's one of your massive fan. It's like that I discover Enos B. And when I've been in Kinshasa, we met. I've been in Kinshasa for a show, big show. I invite him. He shared the stage with me. If you go to YouTube, you're gonna find that. And I remember Fally Ipupa too. He was coming. He was in my show, the same show. I have a good relationship with them. Maybe you're gonna call me if I don't. You don't. Maybe I have his numbers. Maybe I'm gonna call him after we're gonna meet him. No, I'm the only Congolese artist who have not in this kind of gossip and the competition with people. I have a very good relationship with everybody. Never gonna go somewhere you see I will fight this one, I will versus other artists or conflict. No. We are in no competition. If you listen to, you don't do the same style of music. Me, my music is a techno soukous. Et ça c'est la techno soukous, mais rap, everything, c'est Africa. You know, it's not the same music to compare. No, then I'm not in competition with people. I respect people, and I appreciate every time. I'm so curious. When someone posts to direct, I go to YouTube, on YouTube or media network to to listen. I'm not in competition with artists like that.